Respected guests, teachers, and my dear friends, today, I feel honored and proud to speak about one of the greatest warriors and bravest sons of India, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. He was not just a fearless warrior but also a true patriot, scholar, and a symbol of sacrifice. His life is a shining example of courage, devotion to duty, and unbreakable love for the motherland. Sambhaji Maharaj was born on May 14, 1657, as the eldest son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire, and Maharani Saibai. From his childhood, he was trained in warfare, administration, and Sanskrit scriptures. He was extremely intelligent and well-read. He knew 14 languages, including Sanskrit, Marathi, Hindi, Persian, Portuguese, and Arabic. Apart from being a warrior, he was also a poet and writer. But Sambhaji's life was never easy. He lost his mother when he was just 2 years old. Later, he had to face many challenges, including betrayal by some of his own people, struggles for power, and continuous wars against the mighty Mughal Empire. Yet, he never gave up. He remained strong, determined, and always stood for what was right. When Shivaji Maharaj passed away in 1680, Sambhaji Maharaj took over the throne. He was only 23 years old, but he had the heart of a lion. The Mughals thought the Maratha Empire would fall after Shivaji's death. But they were wrong. Under Sambhaji Maharaj's leadership, the Marathas became even stronger. He led many successful battles against the Mughals, Portuguese, and other enemies of Swarajya, self-rule. One of the most inspirational things about Sambhaji Maharaj was his unshakable spirit. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was determined to crush the Marathas. He sent thousands of soldiers to capture Sambhaji, but Sambhaji bravely fought back. For over 9 years, he continued to resist the Mughals, winning many battles and keeping the spirit of Swaraj alive. But in 1689, due to betrayal, Sambhaji Maharaj was captured by the Mughals. Even then, he refused to surrender. Aurangzeb offered him wealth and safety if he converted to Islam and accepted Mughal rule. But Sambhaji Maharaj proudly said that he would rather die than betray his dharma and his people. He knew that accepting defeat would break the morale of his people, so he chose death with dignity. For 40 days, he was tortured in the most brutal way, but he never gave up his pride, his religion, or his love for his motherland. Finally, he was executed. But his sacrifice awakened the spirit of resistance in the hearts of all Marathas. His martyrdom inspired many future leaders, including Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai, and eventually Peshwa Baji Rao, to continue the fight for Swarajya. Friends, Sambhaji Maharaj's life teaches us many lessons. First, stand firm for your principles. No matter how difficult the situation. He could have chosen an easy life by surrendering, but he chose to die for the truth. Second, never give up. Even when enemies were more powerful, Sambhaji Maharaj kept fighting. He showed us that with courage and determination, even the biggest challenges can be faced. Third, knowledge is power. Sambhaji Maharaj was not just a warrior, but also a scholar. His writings, especially his Sanskrit book, Buddha Bhushanam, show that a great leader must be both strong and wise. And finally, sacrifice for the greater good. He gave his life so that future generations could live in a free and proud India. He thought not of himself, but of the nation. That is true patriotism. Today, when we face challenges in life, whether in studies, work, or personal problems, we should remember Sambhaji Maharaj. He faced much bigger problems, yet he stayed brave and loyal till the end. If we can have even a small part of his courage, we can achieve great things. In today's world, we need heroes like Sambhaji Maharaj to inspire us. Not just in battle, but in everyday life, to stand up for justice, to speak the truth, to respect our culture, and to love our country. Let us not just admire him, but also try to follow his path. Let us remember his sacrifice and keep his spirit alive in our hearts.